to go around here. In the nature. Walking around, exploring. I've been living here in this area for 14 years. All right, I'm about what, 2 kilometers from my house, not in a straight line, but you know. And you know what, 14 years I never came here, stuck up in a 9 to 5 job. Never have the strength, the energy to go out and explore around my house. This is crazy. This is crazy. Stopped working and I've started traveling, quit the job, living off, you know, how do you call this? Oh man, only touching. God, this is so nice. So living off, no, not the government that I work for this money, but I would say government help. I worked 20 years in a regular basis, and ever since I've decided to quit everything. So I've decided to quit in order to travel. I've started to discover my area. You got a small road here. The big road is all the way over there. And this is all nature. And this you can see. Those are paths you can follow. And I think so you can go this way or that way. So I think we're gonna go this way, explore a little bit more, remain in the nature, because I think this way is gonna take us back where I was from. So let's go have a look. At the same time, being in nature, man, make me reflect on myself, on my goals, and don't know, being alone in the nature. There's not much wildlife here. There are some wild boar, but they're always hidden. They hide themselves. But there are a lot. There are a lot. I think this is the hunting season as well. Anyway, I don't want to say stupid mistake. So here we are, right in the nature, man. So it will go a little bit further down the road. Yeah, why not? Something I don't like is when you walk somewhere and you come back exactly the same path. I like to circle around. So makes you discover more stuff. Scouting the floor to see if I can. Oh my god, look at that. A little powdering spots. They're disgusting, man. Come on, guys, respect. They don't even respect nature, man. All you have to do, get your beer. At least get the rubbish, you know. Anyway, young people, when we're young, we're stupid, man. We freaking stupid. Look at those trace. I don't know if this is rabbit trace or small dog. Not very expert. I would say I'm not expert at all, but I like it. So there we are. There's been some digging here. Alright. It's been some digging. It's a shame people don't respect nature. Throwing all the stuff. It's not nice. Oh, some more digging or trace here. Dude, this one looks like 2 feet. I mean 2 hoof. If this is a wide bore, this land is huge, man. My hands are not small, but I could fit my 2 fingers was like loose inside the hoof trace, Ooh. How those guys could reach something like 80, 100, 120 kilos. Dude, when you have 120 kilos running up your ass. Check this out. Definitely some digging activities here. Hopefully I'm not gonna encounter any. Got some little beautiful birds. So I don't know, let's go, keep discovering. around my area, which I don't know at all. 14 years living here, man. This is crazy. This is the first time I've been here in 14 years. So where shall we go? There's been some activities here, like human activities. Check this out. A little baby dragon here. You know, especially this place, I don't know, have a vibe like somebody's been living here. Oh man, there's a house here. There is a house, but it looked abandoned. There are some things I don't think I'll be able to reach it. I have to be careful where I walk. Oh, this is a stolen motorbike, I guess. Oh my god, the tank. It wasn't a small motorbike, eh? It was a big one. Check this out. Have a look, guys. Suzuki. Oh my gosh. I feel for the guy who lost this. Man. I think it's all burned down and destroyed. Gosh. Check this out, man. Big discovery. Okay. So everywhere is fenced up. There's some more stuff here. Okay, I think there's a path down there. Let's go have a look. My gosh, discovering stuff. Where the heck am I going? You know what? Hold on. The fact that I've discovered this motorbike make me think about something. I just hope, finger crossed, I'm not gonna come across something more sinister, if you know what I mean. I hate this because we never know. No. Came here just for a walk, killing some time. Yeah, didn't tell you, but decided to walk here. Not only to visit my area, and not only to, have a walk in the nature, but also to kill some time because my car is being I'm having my tires replaced on my car. So okay, which way should I go? Down there? Let's have a look. And remember, I used to do that when I was younger, and I loved walking around, discovering stuff, you know. I used to love to go those undiscovered paths, and I used to spend hours walking around my parents' how do you call this, mountains, you know, parents' house. There were some like no little mountains, and those paths were as narrow as those I just crossed, and it was so nice. This feeling of, you know, nature, discovering, and of course I wasn't aware of, how do you call this, any danger, you know. That wasn't in my head at all. My only worried was, what am I gonna discover today? Gosh, then, and you know, this is kind of a moment where you do some, you know, house in the tree, and you know, playing with your mate, hide and seek. That was so great, man. No worries, no bills to pay. I miss this time, man. I miss this time. Anyway, that's the way it is. Catch you later.